Creative storage solutions. Storage is a common challenge in many homes, but with a little creativity, you can maximize space while keeping your home organized and stylish. Whether you live in a small apartment or a larger house, creative storage solutions help you make the most of your space without sacrificing aesthetics. Here are some clever storage ideas to consider. 1. Underbed storage. Make use of the space under your bed by adding storage bins or drawers. This area is ideal for stashing items that aren't used daily, such as seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or shoes. You can also consider lofting your bed for taller storage solutions. 2. Floating shelves. Floating shelves provide a sleek and modern way to display books, decorative items, or store everyday essentials. Install them on walls to free up floor space and add visual interest to your rooms. Floating shelves work well in living rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. 3. Wall-mounted hooks and racks. Wall-mounted hooks or racks are a great way to organize items like coats, hats, bags, keys, or towels. This solution is particularly effective in entryways, mudrooms, or bathrooms where space is limited. Use stylish hooks or a ladder rack to keep things functional yet decorative. 4. Multifunctional furniture. Invest in furniture pieces that double as storage. Look for ottomans, coffee tables, or benches with hidden compartments for storing blankets, books, or magazines. Fold-out or stackable furniture is also great for saving space while keeping your home clutter-free. 5. Closet organizers. Maximize closet space with clever organizers like hanging shelves, hooks, and over-the-door racks. Use bins or baskets to store shoes, accessories, or seasonal items, and install a second hanging rod for shorter garments. 6. Drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are a simple but effective way to keep items neatly organized in your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Use dividers to separate utensils, cosmetics, office supplies, or other small items to keep everything in its place. 7. Vertical storage solutions. When floor space is limited, think vertical. Tall shelving units, cabinets, or storage towers help you make the most of the height of your rooms. You can also use vertical space in kitchens and bathrooms by installing cabinets or shelves above counters. 8. Hidden storage in stairs. If you have stairs in your home, utilize the space beneath them for hidden storage. Install drawers, cabinets, or shelving in the stair risers to store shoes, books, or other items. This clever solution is perfect for small homes with limited storage options. 9. Under-cabinet pull-out drawers. For kitchens or bathrooms, install pull-out drawers or baskets under cabinets to organize cleaning supplies, food, or toiletries. These drawers allow you to easily access items in deep cabinets and maximize storage in otherwise unused spaces. 10. Modular storage units. Modular storage systems are customizable and versatile. You can build them